What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Zach Goldschafer, and in this video I have this Bluetooth speaker that works slightly. When you turn it on, the lights all come up, but there's no sound. I tried connecting to my phone to this and nothing happens, so I'm going to try to take this apart and see what's wrong inside of it. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that we got to do is get a screwdriver. Get these couple screws out on the front here. This is just a no-name brand speaker. Doesn't really have any value, but just want to fix it, and I thought it might make a good video trying to see what the issue is with it. I'm guessing it's going to be something with the speaker itself, because since the sound isn't working, that's what I'm going to assume, because the power's on fine, as you saw before with all the lights and everything. So almost got all these screws out here. There we go. All four of those screws. And then I'm guessing I could probably pry underneath this. There we go. Just all along here. Clean this off. There's some scratches on this already. Whatever. Just all along this. And this part is off. Just has some like adhesive on here. Not that strong, obviously, but this is a couple years old, so it's to be expected. So then we'll just scrape underneath this. I'm assuming, yeah, because there's no other screws in here. So have to try to pry underneath this, pry this up here. Oh, don't want to break this on accident. But I think that was fine. Just be a little bit softer with this. But I think we almost got this out. Let's pop that right back in. And there we go. And we got this out. So let's see. Oh, well, I think we found the issue here. This black cable, bring this up closer. This is supposed to connect to over here. I don't know how that got disconnected. Maybe, I would say from the factory, but this has worked in the past. I remember this working, so I don't know. Maybe it wasn't connected that well and I dropped it or something. I have no clue, but it seems like all I'm gonna have to do is just re-solder this onto here, and hopefully that'll work again, because this side is perfectly fine, and it looks like all of the insides seem pretty fine. So let's get this taken out of here so we could solder this. Or actually, I mean, I could probably, just gonna unplug this. There we go, get that unplugged. And then, okay. And I'm just gonna solder this right back onto here. Well, it's actually, I know I probably shouldn't, but you know, whatever. Turn on the soldering iron right here. And I don't even think I'll have to really put any new solder on this. I think it'll be fine. Let me just zoom in really quick on, there we go. Okay, now let me just solder this right onto here. And I think that's on. That should be fine. Turn off the soldering iron. Let's see. It looks connected. I think that should be fine. Get another up close shot of this. There we go. It's connected again now. So we'll just plug this part back into here. Okay. There we go. That's all plugged in now. There we go. And I guess we could test this, see if it works. There we go. And it made sound. Yep. So I don't see why this wouldn't work now. So I'm gonna put this back back together and I'll try to play music out of it. Okay, so now we just gotta pop this all back into place. Get that right back in there. Okay. And I don't really care about how good this is stuck on there. There's screws, so it's gonna hold this in place anyway. So it really doesn't matter too much. But just pop this back in here. There we go. Get the screwdriver, get the screws. There's one. There's two. There's three. And that's the fourth one right there. So that's it for putting it back together. Okay, so I tested if it connects to my phone off screen, and it does. I would record it connecting, but I'm using my phone to record. Obviously, I can't do both at once and still have it record. But just take my word for it, this works now and it's completely fine. So we got this fixed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.